Hi, today we are going to learn how to find square and square root of a number in Python. You might have already guessed how to find square of a number and might be guessing how to find square root. So let's see how to find. First we'll open Python compiler. I'll remove this code and I'll write our today's question. So our question is, write a program to find square and square root of number. All right. Let's say we have a number 9 and we want to find its square and square root. So I'll take a variable x, store the data 9 in it. And what do we want? We want to find x raised to 2, that is 81. As we know, square of 9 is 81. And I want to find square root of 9, which is 3. Now you must be thinking that I have written a mathematical expression for finding square of x, whereas I did not yet write any mathematical expression for denoting square root. Not a problem. It will just take few minutes to understand the whole program. So let's see what are we trying to find here. So I'll write a little bit of mathematical expressions here. I'm looking at square of x, which we know is written as 9 raised to 2. And we know square of 9 is 81. All right. It's pretty simple. Find x squared, you will get the answer as 81. Let's see how can we find it. We'll take a variable sq underscore x, which is equal to x multiplied by x. So a number multiplied by itself gives us the square. Let's try and print the output. Square of whose square are we finding? That is 9. And what is the squared value we have got? We have got 81 as the value. So let's try and print that. Here is the output. Square of 9 is 81. All right. Now, in a very simple way, we have got square of a number. Let me introduce one more way of finding square in Python. I'll just comment out the first way of finding square, that is multiplying a number by itself. And here, what we are going to use is an operator. This operator is called as exponentiation operator, which is nothing but 2 asterisk symbols. Now, these 2 asterisk symbols are equivalent to the raised to operator, which we use in mathematics. So let's take our variable sq underscore x, and here I'll write x raised to 2. So that is x raised to is nothing but the exponentiation operator of Python and 2. So this way I'll be finding square of x using exponentiation operator. We got the same output. You can try by giving some another value, let's say 19, and we know square of 19 is 361. So there we go. Okay. In a very simple manner, we were able to find square of a number by using 2 ways. On a similar basis, we'll try to find square root of a number. Finding square is pretty straightforward. You multiply by itself, or we saw an alternative that you can write x raised to 2. Now what we are going to do is, we'll write the equivalent mathematical expression first, and then we'll come back to the coding part. Okay. Now, whenever we talk about square root, the very first thing which comes into our mind is the square root symbol. So square root of 9, we know, is 3. Now, if you think about this square root symbol, there is no such equivalent operator or any symbol in Python using which I can write square root. But there's an alternative to be used, and that alternative is nothing but exponentiation operator. What we can do is, rather than thinking of how to write a Python expression equivalent to this mathematical expression, we can actually write square root of 9 in a different manner. We know that square root can also be written as raised to 1 by 2. So can I write square root of 9 is 9 raised to 1 by 2? Yes. The answer still remains same. It will be 3. 9 raised to half is also 3 because it's just an equivalent way of representing square root symbol. So keeping this concept in mind, we can now simply write its equivalent expression in Python. So let's create a variable to store the square root. Let's say square root of x is nothing but x raised to half. So here I can write x asterisk asterisk raised to half, 1 by 2. And then I'll print the value of square root. Square root of x is 3 in our case. So let's run the program. We got square root of 19 is 4.358. Let's change this to 9. Run the program and we get the answer as square root of 9 is 3.0. Okay, we got the output correctly. But now what we are thinking is, when 9 is a whole number, when 9 is an integer value, why are we not getting the value 3 as an answer? Rather, we are getting 3.0. That is because, let me tell you about the division operator. So let's revise something about division operator. We know 1/2 is nothing but 0.5. Whereas if we try and use 1/2, which is the float division, we'll get the quotient as 0. So in case I wrote here 2 slashes, if I try to use float division, this will become 0 and x raised to 0, any number raised to 0, we know the answer is 1. So this is not what we're expecting. So please do not use your float division, rather go for 1 by 2 and get the answer in decimal values. Now, if you're worrying of getting this in decimal, that is float number, you can simply do one thing, that is convert the value to integer by using the int function. So this way, we are getting square root of 9 is 3. Now, you might be thinking that what is the difference in using a multiplication operator and an exponentiation operator for finding squares? So there might be a question arising in your mind that why to use exponentiation operator? Why is it given more preference? Okay, let's take an example and understand. Let's say I want to find square of a number. So in mathematics, we'll write x raised to 2 and its equivalent Python expression will be x multiplied by x. Let's say you want to find x raised to 3. X raised to 3 will be x multiplied 3 times. Now, on a similar note, if your program or code needs to find x raised to 32, you can understand how tedious it will be to multiply x 32 times. You just keep on writing, and there is a possibility of some manual error while writing x multiplied by x and so on. To avoid this, what we can write? We can write its equivalent Python expression using exponentiation operator by simply writing x asterisk asterisk 32. So this is the simplest way of writing x raised to 32 rather than multiplying x 32 times. So that is one very simple reason of using exponentiation operator over multiplication operator when you're trying to find x raised to y. Now, if you've understood this program, you can try and find cube root, fourth root of any number. You simply have to write your expression in this particular manner, and whatever you get as the raised to value should be written over here. I hope you have understood this and you will practice more. Thank you.